I took it as a positive remark na lang na maybe she didn't want me to suffer more. Since I really have a strong bond with my mom. I'm not gonna make it long because I won't be able to continue talking. I just want mommy to know that in every lifetime and universe, I will always choose you to be my mom. I'm sorry. I've been holding it in for quite some time. It's very hard on my part because we really have a strong mother and daughter relationship among my siblings. I was treated differently. I was the most baby, even though I'm the eldest. Just imagine from preschool, my first day in preschool, to my first job interview, she was always with me. So you can imagine her stage, her presence as a stage mom. Especially my favorite part was when I graduated college. Patisod lang ako dun sa stage kasi nabulog ay tumatalag sa gitna. It was my mom. And a lot of people, even the parents, were cheering for her because she was so proud that her firstborn finally graduated college. And she always made sure that each time I applied for work, she wants to tag along because she wants to make sure I was safe and she wants to know where I work. So just in case I get bullied because she knows how soft I am and pretty much the weakest among my siblings because my siblings have stronger personalities compared to me. Susugod talaga siya sa office in case I get bullied. Now, I shared so much memories with my mom that I will forever treasure, and I don't want to cry because I have her face. You know how pretty my mom is, so I'm very lucky enough to have been blessed with her baby and her baby boy. So there are times I can be serious because of my mood swings, but that doesn't mean na hindi naman ako for like her. I'm lucky enough to have her as my mom, and I will always cherish those memories with you, mommy. I'm just gonna miss you and the bond that we have. Yung mga jokes natin na tayo na nakaka-appreciate. I'm gonna miss that so much, and she's my role model. I look up to her very much. As you can tell, I pretty much copied her hair. This is supposed to be the color of her hair that she wanted to do after the blue-gray, because everyone changes her hair. So this was supposed to be her hair color, so I decided to wear it because it's one of her favorite colors. So Ma, don't worry about us. We'll be okay. It will hurt, but I know that you know we can manage. I'm just gonna miss you so much. I'm happy for you, Ma. Don't wander off too far. I love you, Ma.